Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XDC from Binance to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens safely and efficiently, you're in the right place. XDC is a popular blockchain asset, and with exchanges like Binance and Gemini, transfers can be quick and secure. But remember, crypto markets evolve, so always double-check the latest updates on the platforms. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Gemini. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any verification processes. This is crucial for security. Once that's done, log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet. Find your XDC balance. You need enough to cover the transfer amount plus any network fees. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. On Binance, go to the withdrawal section. Search for XDC and select it. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is your Gemini wallet address. To get that, log into Gemini, go to your account, and find the deposit option for XDC. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds astray. Step 2. Back on Binance, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything. The amount, the address, and the network. XDC typically uses its own blockchain, so ensure it's selected correctly. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to approve this via email or two-factor authentication for added security. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Gemini account for the incoming funds. Once it arrives, you're all set. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this to avoid any mishaps. Remember, fees can vary, so check both exchanges for the latest rates. And never share your private keys or recovery phrases. If you run into issues, both Binance and Gemini have support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.